Hello AI and ML community. Today I'm going to talk about 23 free resources on artificial intelligence courses. You don't have to spend even a single dollar on these courses. It's absolutely free. These courses are provided by Stanford, UC Berkeley, University of Washington, Harvard, IIT Madras. There are many universities they are providing free, whether they posted on the YouTube or they provided on their websites. You can check on this one. I'll give you the link on my description. Before you enroll on any courses, first you can come and check these courses whether it will benefit to you. So go to GitHub developer -y and then CS video courses artificial intelligence. You can see introduction to artificial intelligence with Python, and also machine learning. Harvard University is providing that. And then you can see the introduction to artificial intelligence UC Berkeley, and then MIT also provide the course. That's a one good. And then we have a Stanford University artificial intelligence. These courses talk about the basic and intermediate as well. And then applications of artificial intelligence from University of Washington. And then you can see the introduction from UBC. We have courses from IIT. If you are from India, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Madras also provide the courses to us. We have courses from University of Washington again, University of Edinburgh, and then we have courses from Germany as well, and then other HPI universities. So these courses are absolutely free. You can benefit from that before you enroll anything on these courses. If you want to pay any money, please come to this website and then check those courses. Then if it is not providing any benefit to you or it doesn't suffice your need, then you go and enroll in the course, or you can pay the money. Otherwise, please come and do this course, check these courses and do these courses and take the benefit. Thank you for watching this video. If you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then I will post more videos. Thank you.